Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on NBA 2K14 on PC. First, connect your controller. You can use a standard USB cable, plugging one end into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Alternatively, if your PC has Bluetooth, you can pair it wirelessly through your operating system's device settings. This initial connection is the crucial first step before any software setup. Once connected, you'll need a compatibility layer. I recommend using a free application such as PS4 Windows. This software is vital because it tricks your PC and games into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller, which is widely supported by PC titles like NBA 2K14. Download it from a reputable source, install it, and make sure it's running before you start your game for seamless integration. With PS4 Windows running, open the application to confirm your PlayStation 4 controller is recognized. You should see it listed as an active device. You can then create or select a profile, allowing you to customize button layouts if the default mapping isn't to your liking. After confirming the setup in PS4 Windows, launch NBA 2K14. Head into the game's options menu, specifically the controller settings, to ensure it detects your input device correctly and is ready for play. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting the PS4 Windows application and then reconnecting your PlayStation 4 controller. Always ensure your PS4 Windows software is updated to its latest version, as developers frequently release fixes and improvements. For wireless users, maintaining a close proximity, ideally within 10 feet, to your PC's Bluetooth adapter can prevent input lag or disconnections, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted NBA 2K14 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.